For word study today, you're going to go into the week 4 assignments folder. You're going to click on the word study folder in there, and you'll have a little video. Okay, this video is going to open up a Phonics Kids video that has blends that start with the letter S. So we're focused on SK, SK, SL, SL, SP, SP, ST, ST, and SW, SW. So you're going to watch the video, and as you come across new words that go with these letter blends, add to your blends words on in your word study notebook. So you're going to make sure that you have your notebook ready, and you're going to add the new categories for SK, SL, SP, ST, and SW, and add new words to those blend categories. Have fun. Enjoy your word work today.